In this tutorial, we will begin to explore some of the advanced functions you can do to analyze your digital elevation model. First, load your LPK from the Professional directory. Once launched, you will see a complete view of your topography and velocities. You can rotate your DEM by selecting your roller ball in the menu pull-down. This allows you to rotate and move your DEM in 3 dimensions. To zoom in and out, utilize the Zoom button from the toolbar and select the area in which you wish to zoom. To zoom back out, hold down the Control button and click left with your mouse. Alternatively, you may use the center or scroll button of your mouse and drag from top to bottom to zoom in and out. At any time, you can interrogate your data by selecting the data probe and viewing the data that lies beneath. Next, let's look at what's included in your zone style table. This is where you can easily turn things on and off in your viewing frame. Typically, you will be provided 3 zones: a DEM zone, volume zone, and a depth average velocity zone. Turning them on and off give you different views. You can also vary the visual effects of each zone by changing your surface translucency under the Effects tab in your zone style. Now we will load a new style file to look at your cross sections. The cross-section velocity style file has been provided by WaterCube. Here you will see the slices inlaid to your DEM. These can be spaced at any interval you wish. This just happens to be one of the default styles that we provided, but to view more or less slices, go to the slice details on the left sidebar and change your number of slices displayed. To animate your slices, you want to turn off your Show Slices and navigate to the Animate tab. Here you can select the number of steps down the river, and then just hit play. This, as you can see, animates every slice throughout your river reach. Next, we will look at the Z-axis and fill in from the riverbed to the water surface. You can also animate this in a very similar way as we did for the slices. You will want to ensure that your starting and ending points stay within the range of your elevation legend for your water levels. You can check this by looking at your elevation legend. For this case, you will want a starting value of 715 meters and an ending value of approximately 720 meters. Now you can hit play. The river will now fill in at different elevations. This can come in really handy when looking at certain habitat studies and analyzing disconnects within your river. The next thing we plan to do is to look at stream traces. To get started, WaterCube provides a baseline view by loading a new style file. Load the stream traces style file. To place your stream traces, open up the Details box for Stream Traces. Under the Placement tab, select Surface Lines. The number of seed points specifies the number of particles within the length of your rake. Notice 10 lines are placed in a tighter fashion with a shorter rake. If you expand your rake, the spacing changes. Place as many as you wish across your river. Once you are done, you can animate the particle traces. Navigate to the Animation tab and hit Animate. This allows you to watch your particles go through your river reach. It's particularly helpful to see certain back eddies and the direction and flow of each of your velocity vectors. To change a particle size, go into the Timing tab and select a smaller marker size. Lastly, we will analyze isosurfaces. Isosurfaces can be used to display a constant value of a contour variable, such as a long stream velocity, as a surface within your river. Start by reloading your DEM velocity style file. You will first want to go to the Surface tab of Zone Style, and you will want to change your volume zones to none. Select Isosurfaces in the left sidebar and pull up the Details dialog box. First, you want to define the area in which you want to visualize your volume. Choose a long stream velocity and show Group 5. Change value 1 to maximum value of the contour variable. You can now move through the velocities by hitting the down arrow. You are now looking at the volume of water at that velocity indicated by the color in your legend. That wraps up this tutorial.